Hello dear learner, myself Miss Nehal Chakorkar working in a department of pharmacology. Today we are giving the special focus on our first unit, that is a sulfonamide under the chapter antimicrobial agent. Sulfonamide. What is meant by sulfonamide? Sulfonamide is the first antimicrobial agent which will be effective against the bacterial infection. Especially the sulfonamide, it is act as a bacteriostatic agent. Bacteriostatic means these are the agents that will inhibit the growth of microorganism, and opposite the actual word of the bacteriostatic is bactericidal. Bactericidal, these are the agent that kills the microorganism. And sulfonamide is effective on the gram-positive bacteria as well as gram-negative bacteria. While we are classifying the sulfonamide, they are classified according to their duration of action: short-acting, intermediate-acting, long-acting, and special purpose sulfonamides. Short-acting derivative having their duration of action 4 to 8 hours, while intermediate-acting having the 8 to 12 hours. Long-acting sulfonamide is effective for 7 days, and the special purpose sulfonamide, these are the used for the specific purpose. For example, in case of burn, in case of urinary tract infection, in case of a respiratory tract infection, etc. While focusing on a mechanism of action of sulfonamide, the unique mechanism of action of sulfonamide is the sulfonamide. It is a basic moiety of drug sulfonamide. That moiety is called as a sulfanilamide. That sulfonamide moiety is having the structural similarity with the PABA. PABA, it is used for the growth of microorganism. Then instead of PABA, the bacteria is utilized the sulfonamide derivative. The PABA is used for the synthesis of dihydrofolic acid with the help of enzyme folate synthetase. Then that dihydrofolic acid is converted into the tetrahydrofolic acid with the help of enzyme folate reductase. Then the sulfonamide will block the enzyme folate synthetase. Hence, there is no further steps are occurred. Same, the trimethoprim is another drug which is antimalarial that will block the enzyme dihydrofolate reductase. Hence, there is no further action is carried out. At the end, what we got? There is a bacteriostatic action. Means there is no growth of the bacteria. This table will explain all the detailed information of sulfonamide, like their antimicrobial spectrum. These are act as a bacteriostatic against many gram-positive as well as gram-negative bacteria. While considering the resistance means it is a condition after some time the bacteria fails to respond same dose of the drug at a same duration. It's called as a resistance in a bacteria. The resistance is occur due to the production of increasing amount of the PABA in the bacteria, or synthesis their own folate synthetase enzyme at a low affinity for the sulfonamide, or the bacteria will adopt some alternative pathway for the folate metabolism. Ultimately, what is happening? The folate concentration is increased inside the bacteria, and hence the bacteria is carrying its own synthesis procedure. While adverse drug reaction, the common adverse drug reaction, it is a nausea, vomiting, epigastric pain. The sulfonamide is having the unique adverse effect is crystalluria, that is deposition of crystal of uric acid in a urine. Then sulfonamide is having the hypersensitivity reaction. Also, the sulfonamide is responsible for the hepatitis and the kernicterus. Then what are the various interaction? The sulfonamide inhibit the metabolism of various drugs. Hence, if we are taken the warfarin, tolbutamide, phenytoin like drug along with the sulfonamide, then the concentration of this drug is get increased inside the plasma. Hence, we have to maintain the dose of this particular drug. Then the sulfonamide, if taken along with the methotrexate, the sulfonamide will display the methotrexate from its binding site. Hence, it decreases its renal excretion. Then combination of sulfonamide with a penicillin is banned inside the India due to some very severe interaction. Then what are the uses of sulfonamide? Sulfonamide used as a suppressive therapy for the various urinary tract infection. Topical silver sulfadiazine. Silver sulfadiazine, it is a special moiety which are only used for the special purpose in case of burn infection. Then also the sulfonamide used for the gum infection in a tooth. Also it will be used for the pneumonia cystitis, used in a combination of anti-malarial drug for the treatment of malaria. Sulfonamide is used for the treatment of inflammatory bowel diseases. Also, the sulfonamide is used for the respiratory disease infection as well as various ocular infection. Then, our next part of the sulfonamide, it is a cotrimoxazole or cotrimoxazole. What is meant by cotrimoxazole? It is a fixed dose combination of trimethoprim with sulfamethoxazole in a ratio 20:1. Means 20 part of the trimethoprim drug. As I told you earlier, the trimethoprim, it is a anti-malarial drug, while the sulfonamide is taken in a ratio 1. It's called as a cotrimoxazole. The trimethoprim, it is a diaminopyrimidine derivative which it will be related to anti-malarial drug, while the sulfonamide is act as a bacteriostatics. And why we are combining these both derivative? To got the synergistic action. Then what is meant by synergistic action? When we are the effect obtained from the trimethoprim plus the effect obtained from the sulfamethoxazole, and if we are combining both these derivatives, then we got the triple effect rather than we got the double effect. It's called as a synergistic effect. Then it is a short review of the cotrimoxazole. As such, it is a combination drug, so it will shows the increase the spectrum of activity. Means why single sulfonamide is not covering the variety of the other species of the microorganism, while the cotrimoxazole will cover the additional species of the various microorganism. As well as the single sulfonamide derivative is having the fast resistance in rather than the cotrimoxazole. But cotrimoxazole is also showing the resistance due to the resistance mutation occurs inside the bacteria. But one of the advantage while we are considering the trimethoprim or sulfamethoxazole combination is there is a slowly development of the resistances occur. Then adverse effects are common as like a nausea, vomiting, headache, rashes. But major side effect is observed with the cotrimoxazole therapy is a folate deficiency. Why that folate deficiencies occur? Because we are ultimately inhibiting the folate synthesis inside the body. Then what are the interaction? The cotrimoxazole derivative is not given in a person suffering from the renal diseases. Also it will show the interaction with a various anti-HIV drug, as well as cotrimoxazole is avoided during the pregnancy. Then uses of the cotrimoxazole, especially these are used for the pneumocystitis. Also in the pneumocystitis occurs into the HIV patient or AIDS patient. The cotrimoxazole is used for the respiratory tract infection and the urinary tract infection. It will be act as a bactericidal action in the diarrhea-like condition and the dysentery. Cotrimoxazole is alternative to penicillin in various agranulocytosis condition. Means when we are using the penicillin derivative, there is a formation of a agranulocytosis, which is a major adverse drug reaction of a penicillin derivative. And if one person is already suffering from the agranulocytosis, or which will be having chances to develop the agranulocytosis, in such patient, to treat the infection, instead of penicillin we are using the cotrimoxazole derivative. Also the cotrimoxazole is used in a treatment of typhoid, alternative to chloramphenicol derivative. And last but not least, the cotrimoxazole is used in a treatment of cancroid condition. These are the various references which are used for the preparation of the slide. Thank you. If you have any doubt, don't forget to mail me at snehalsakorkar@gmail.com. Thank you.